Hi! In front of me is TCL 40SE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by exiting Play Store and type in Magic Fluids in the search bar. Then install this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. After that, tap on I accept in this pop-up and then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, you need to click at the top right corner and the bottom one again. This time though, select the live wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper over here, and click on the Home button. As you can see, wallpaper of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!